What's up, guys? Welcome back at Man Cave Reef. How's everybody doing? New year, new project. So went out, pick up a couple parts. Wanna start working on my manifold in a fish filter room. So went out, got it, and this is a part 1 out of 2. So I'll show you guys how's everything done when I put it back in the room, and just want to share with you. So I want my UV light connected, calcium reactor, and from the pump in the corner over there, want to run it up and against that wall right over there for future nitrate reactors and any other reactors that eventually I'll get. So I'll have just one pump feeding all of that instead of a bunch of pump in the sump. So stay tuned, and I'll share with you when I'm done. Alright, guys, have a good one. See you soon.